Hello again. Today we have this dishwasher. It's called Elektrolux, and it's this Time Focus. This dishwasher has a problem with the drain. It doesn't drain water, so the water is gathered in the bottom here. So I'm gonna try to figure out what's the problem. So it's again dishwasher, Elektrolux Time Focus, as you can see here. It gives some fault codes. Sometimes it's stuck in this one, or sometimes it gives this fault code i20. So I've been reading a little bit about it. So it's like pointing to the it's like a drain problem. So as I said, we'll try to figure out the problem. So here, as you can see, a lot of water in the bottom here. So first of all, we have to take out this water by a sponge or something like this. So it's easy to remove this, just like this. This one has to be cleaned as well. We put it aside here, and this one you can twist it like anti-clockwise. Just take it out, put it there on the side, and this seal as well. So now we have access to water, so we can take something like this sponge, you know. It will take a little time here. Now I'm almost done with water, so I thought it's not necessary that you can see this water. So I'm using this sponge, you know. This will make it easier. Yes, if you see here, I just removed the front panel here. It's like the outer one and the inner one, and this is the drain pump. If you come closer, yeah, I don't know if you can see it now. This is the drain pump, and this is the hose for the drain pump, and there was the water that was gathering there. So first of all, you have to unplug the dishwasher in order not to get electricity. So I already did it. And then if you can see here, there is those two clips here, giving power to the drain pump. So you can take them out. Yes, the first one, and here's the other one. And now, if you can see this plastic plate, you just trick it down. If you go this one, you can just put it down like this, and you have to have something under, so in order not to get a lot of water here. So you can use this plate from the oven, yeah, just like this, you know. And now you can just hold the pump and twist it anti-clockwise like this. You see, you can put a mark here, you know. You see these here go the two clips. Should be in the upper side, and in the lower side it's nothing, just the motor, you know. So now I'm gonna twist it anti-clockwise like this. Here we go. See, just a little water because I already drained it with a sponge. So now we have to take closer look to this motor. So yeah, it's this one. In order to see if it's defected or not, so we can do like this, because almost there is, you know, a seal here, and this is because of the wear and the hot water. So the water started to leak in and interfere with the magnetic field. So we just take it out. You see here, guys, there's a lot of water here, and this is the problem. This is our problem, you know. Here inside, if you can make it larger. So I don't know if you can see it. A lot of water here. Anyway, now you can see the water coming. See? That's the problem. This water interferes with the magnetic field with the motor and cause that it will not like going around like this one. This is the magnetic heart. Anyway, so we need to get a new one. So I ordered this drain pump from Elektrolux, and I got it today. There was two types of those motors at the Elektrolux website, and this it was one for the washing machine and the other one for the dishwasher, and I ordered this one for the dishwasher. And here it says in Swedish avloppump, it's drain pump in English. And I got this one. You know, it's not like 100% like the old one, but the most important thing is those 3 points. And I have to. Can you hold it? Yes. Yes, as I said, the most important thing is these 3 points, this one and this one and this one. And if you can see, with the old one, it's almost the same here concerning those 3 points. This one, like this one, this and this, and it's the same diameter, so this should work actually. And now I will try to mount it on the machine, and you have to take care of this, you know, O-ring. As we said, the clips in the upper side, and that's it. If you remember what we did there, we twisted it like anti-clockwise. Now, if you see those pins here, this pin should go here. It should go there. Then we're gonna put it like this, just like this, and give it a push, and just turn it clockwise. Yes. Oh, my torches went also, so I took another one. Anyway, we will twist. So give this pump a push from the back side, put it in the place, and twist it like this, clockwise. So I guess it's done now. Now we're gonna put back those clips here, like this, like this. Yes. And the most important thing that you can feel it by your finger here, especially from the back side, in a way that there is no gap between the pump and this black plastic here. So I guess we are done here. So I'm gonna put back this tray, you know, this one, like this, or like this here. So, and I will put back the, you know, the metal panel here, and I will try the machine, see if it's working. So I'll be back after I've tried the machine. So I hope that this will work, and I hope that this video is useful. If you really like it, so you can give us a thumb up. And I'm sorry for this bad quality, because I'm at home and it's late in the night. So that's it. Thank you for watching.